Okay, so today we're gonna make lamb spaghetti, and the ingredients that we need are 400 grams of spaghetti. This is to be boiled in 1 liter of water and 1 teaspoon of salt, and drain them once they are cooked. And the pasta liquid, we do not throw them away because we'll keep them to use to cook for the sauce later on. And this is about 430 grams of tomato puree. These are some chopped corianders, and this is 1 large onion, finely chopped, and this is 2 teaspoons of dried thyme leaves, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano leaves, 5 cloves of garlic, finely chopped, 2 teaspoons of chili flakes. Here we have about 500 grams of lamb, parboiled, and this is the broth. We will use this broth to cook the sauce as well. Okay, so here we have 2 tablespoons of oil heated up, and now we need to fry our onions. So we'll need to fry them until they are softened. That will take about 2 minutes. Now that the onions have softened and slightly brown, we insert our garlic. Stir fry them for a bit. Now we insert our chili flakes and also our mixed herbs. This we just let it stir fry for another 1 to 2 minutes until they are fragrant. Okay, so next we insert our lamb. Stir fry them for a bit, and if you would like a little bit of sting, you can put some black pepper powder or some freshly ground black peppercorn. Next we will insert our tomato puree. Give it a good stir. Now to let it simmer for about 15 minutes, we have to put in our lamb broth. And to our lamb broth, we add in a teaspoon of salt. Give it a good stir. Now we can cover it to let it simmer for 15 minutes. Okay, so now that it has been 15 minutes for it to simmer, so now we add in a tablespoon of sugar, just to give it a little bit of sweetness to its paste. Give it a good stir. Once it's well combined, you can turn the stove off and serve it with your spaghetti.